Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to install SQL Server on a PC. Let's start the video. Firstly, we have to open our web browser and search SQL Server. Now we have to scroll down and click on Microsoft SQL Server downloads. After clicking, the genuine website for downloading SQL Server will be open. Now we have to click on downloads. Then we have to scroll down and we have get four options. Here we have to click on SQL Server 2025 Express download now. Now it will be downloading. After downloading it, open the file and follow the installation process. Express edition will be open and click on basic. Then Microsoft SQL Server license term will be open. We have to simply accept it. Now click on install. Now SQL Server will be downloading. It will take few minutes to install the SQL Server. Now our SQL Server Express Edition is successfully installed in our PC. Now we have to just click on install SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. After clicking on it, we have to download SQL Server Management Studio. So we have to open the downloaded SSMS file. So we have to get the Visual Studio installer pop-up window. Now Visual Studio installer will be downloaded. We have to click on these four checkboxes. After this, we have to install this 3.25 GB Microsoft SQL Server application. Now the application is being downloading. After downloading this, we have just launched this. Now SQL Server Management Studio will be open. Now sign in option will be open. Here I have going to click on escape because it is not mandatory to sign in on this application. Now this SQL Server is opening. We have to get this type of interface. Now a pop-up window will be open that tells us to create a SQL server. So we have to create a SQL server. Here we have to write a server name. This server name is the device name of your PC. So get the device name, go to Windows tab and search about your PC. Now it will open this setting and we can see the device name. My device name is Prabhat. Now again we have to going on SQL application and type here your device name oblique SQL Express. This is the server name which has been created. Now we have to go on encrypt, choose optional data and keep other informations as it is. After this, click on connect. This connect us to our SQL server. Now we have to click on new queries. Here we can write our SQL queries. I hope this video helpful to you.